Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the Thai prison system, and it's a question I get rather frequently, oftentimes, a lot of times, from relatives of clients of the firm who are asking what the conditions of their relative who's being incarcerated in Thailand is like. And I can say pretty much unequivocally, Thai prison is not a place that you want to be. That being stated, I would not say it rises to the level of inhumane. It's just simply not a place you would particularly like to be. And I think that Thai authorities, if you ask them, one of the big things that I've heard from clients over the years is it's really, really boring because you're just sitting around. There's nothing really going on in there. And the thing that I think Thai authorities would probably say is, yes, we want it to not be pleasant. And the reason for that is we want it to be a deterrent for people committing crimes. So, we're not going to, basically, it's not going to be a Club Med in there. It's basically going to be a prison. And I've dealt with multiple different, I've been to multiple different prison facilities, the Bangkok Remand Prison, Klong Prem, as well as the Pattaya prison. I made another video specifically on immigration detention center, which is a different thing than the prison itself. One thing I will say when comparing the immigration detention center to the prison system, the prisons are a little bit more, for lack of a better term, laid back, because people that are incarcerated in there, they're not going anywhere, and there's not a lot of activity, for lack of a better term. At the Immigration Detention Center, it's a much more transitory institution. They're processing people in, they're processing people out, they're deporting people, et cetera, et cetera. More active at immigration detention as opposed to the prison system. That being said, the remand prison especially, where people are still being tried for whatever accusation they've been put on trial for, that prison's a little bit more, there's some things moving around. But that being said, the thing that I've come across over the years with many of my clients is amenities are a bit difficult to come by. The system provides sort of the basics, so food, shelter, enough cleanliness, there's showers, etc., various hygienic facilities, toilets, etc. That's all there. There's no issue with that particularly. But one thing that I have seen over the years doing prison visitations, etc., is many of the clients that we've dealt with, they would like amenities, things like different kinds of soap or shampoo, for example. I've seen that oftentimes asked for. New toothbrushes, toothpaste, etc. I mean, it sounds rather basic, but that's sort of the nature of the thing, is basically getting these folks, moderate, low-level creature comforts, for lack of a better term. And by the way, the prison facilities, they do allow people to put money on account for individuals in the system. But that being said, it's not sort of a license to just have sort of a free-for-all and be frivolous and have all types of amenities. Again, the overarching paradigm in these prisons is people should be in there being sort of penitent, thinking about what they've done, and it's not supposed to be an overly pleasant place. It's not inhumane, but it's not designed for the individuals involved to particularly have a pleasant time. In fact, somewhat the opposite. So the thing to take away from this video is avoid Thai prison, certainly, obey the law here in the Kingdom of Thailand. And if one doesn't, it may be possible, depending on if one has been accused, to go ahead and try and figure out some way in which to plead down or to litigate a given criminal case in order to avoid as much prison time as one can. But that being said, the thing to take away from this video is not a place you want to end up here in the Kingdom of Thailand. We hope you found this video insightful. For those of you who are interested, we're trying to make videos to provide up-to-date information as soon as this information comes out. And for that reason, it may be a good idea to go ahead and click the bell button, the bell icon below, to go ahead and be updated as these videos come out, as you can go ahead and be apprised of the legal situation as it evolves.